Hey guys, I just got this phone. Oh yeah, guys, before I start the story, this is how I got it. Listen to the story. This is the story. What did I say before we start the story? This is how it all happened. Whoa! Look, it's a new phone! Look, it actually works! Wait a minute. I broke it. Oh no! It's a flip phone! Whoa, guys! Registering applications. I'm at the menu. Look. Let's find a picture.
Why did Olivia put hers in a Halloween baggie?
Because she didn't have one. Guys, look at this. I found a picture.
Want me to put all your candy in the dish, baby?
Sure. I found a flip phone.
Could you stop it?
Wait a minute. Let me read this. France, Paris, it's wonderful. Buy my butt, take my turd. Interesting. What does this one say? France, Paris, yes. Mavliek sector mes yeses et monthard. I know you guys can't see this really well. Guys, oh, this is a flip phone. Wait, you hear this? This is a good quality phone. This is good. This is all. Guys, I will make this video have comments. And you, the viewer who's watching, you know what I request you to do? I request you to like and subscribe. And turn on notifications. What else? Was there anything else? Oh yeah, make sure to hit that bell, which is the notifications, I believe. Yeah. Want to see 10-minute videos? Or longer than 10 minutes? Please comment on this video. If you want to see more flip phone videos with a 2-megapixel camera, then comment. Bye.